Uganda kurangira nguneja kombe kama biciro by'akare okuhamiza kukoza urwo Uganda yigisira hansi yona okuzizoba rya International Museum de 2025 omukoro gwihanga ryona gukorirwa muri district ya Kabale omujenyi mukuru ha mukoro go kandi uri minister wihanga habwe ibyo burambuzi Magara Martin Bahinduka ayerekera ko government inentebekanisa eyo kutungura za museum obwero kuzombe ko mbyanga bitaro bimwe na bimwe.
Government of Uganda through the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities has planned to construct museums in all regions of Uganda by 2030. This is because museums are education laboratories in the current education curriculum. Primary school children and students from secondary and tertiary institutions must visit museums as part of the requirements to attain their learning objectives.
Bahinduka shabira abanya-Uganda okukozesa emigisha y'ibintu by'oburambuzi okwetungura.
I want to encourage, I've seen the mayor here, encourage the local leadership, work with our department, so that the sites that were not captured in the second schedule can be captured in this schedule. Also therefore call upon the private sector players to invest in the development of the untapped tourism resources in the region, especially around Ekumutanda, Ugahinga Burundi, Anungu and other places within Kigezi region.
At the moment, we have got in place a new law, the Museums and Monuments Act 2023. We thank His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, the Cabinet, and the entire legislature for the support in passing this law into an act.
Wemaze sugorora omwambaro kutungura ebyoburambuzi mu ihanga ashabira abazire okwegesa abana baba habyakare
kugira ngo kibareze mu Kampala no kumanya sensi yona ngo Kigezi n'ibiciro n'ibintu ibyakare kandi ibya Western yona sukati twagalo kuburira abana bacu ibyo batumye mu bikize ate twagalo kogerera abazante kandi ni mwabasire muhure mukorenyo mufeyo nyo kutwara abana bano barabewo mutwafa mutwara abana banyu bamanye barukire.
And for choosing Kabale, that means Kabale has reached somewhere as far as tourism is concerned. That's why we are looking forward to having a tourism city.
Ahabwo mwakogo ekirekeje guzibwa hansi y'omutwe the future of museums in rapidly changing communities. Amakuru agagasha kwa Job Namanya na Gilbert Muhanguzo muri Kabale.